You all asked a queen and I am delivering. Wellness shots, that is. Let's get into it. Most wellness shots are made with fresh ginger, fresh turmeric, fresh lemon juice, and black pepper. But wait, Julie, I want my wellness shots to be a little sweeter. I got you. You can add some fresh pineapple, fresh squeezed orange juice, or some honey to those wellness shots. To your blender or your juicer, you're gonna go ahead and add all your ingredients. Girl, nobody's got time for any lemon seeds. Grab your mesh strainer and remove those lemon seeds. Adding black pepper to the wellness shots helps your body absorb the turmeric more efficiently. Add about a cup or a cup and a half of water to your blender or juicer. This will all depend on the amount of ingredients used for each wellness shot batch. Begin to blend all your ingredients in your blender or your juicer. Making my wellness shots at home has been all trial and error, so please add or subtract any ingredients so that you can ensure that these wellness shots are perfect for you. If you made it this far in the video, please like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone who can benefit from a wellness shot. I'm not gonna lie, the following step is my least favorite. However, it's important that we strain the ingredient pulp to only stay with the juice for our wellness shots. My absolute favorite part, it's time to pour up those wellness shots. You get about 15 with these glasses, and it is taste time. Let's go. Shake, 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 and cheers, y'all. These DIY wellness shots not only will keep your gut healthy, but save you lots of money. Until the next one, y'all. Bye.